So, Mrs. Clinton, the other thing is, you have to restore trust in the communities and the community's trust in the police. Well, unfortunately, here's the problem with that. Okay, yes, there needs to be some help in trust of the police department. That's true. But not all the communities are good. There's a lot of criminals in America that don't apply by that. So there's the problem that lies in your argument about, well, we got to get communities to trust the law enforcement, and law enforcement trust the communities. Well, law enforcement can't trust all the communities because not all the communities are law-abiding citizens. Duh.